fellow pony. Today we're making Oreo ice cream the pony-proof way. It's easy, quick, and so much fun. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need. 4 packets of Oreo biscuits, 320 ml of milk, or your favorite dairy-free alternative, 120 ml of condensed milk, or dairy-free or sugar-free syrup. Bash your Oreo biscuits. No need to take them out of the wrapper, just give them a good crush until they're nice and crumbly. But don't overdo it, you want chunks, not powder. Next, mix your milk and condensed milk together. This will give your ice cream its creamy magic. Carefully arrange your Oreo biscuits inside your tin and make sure that they do not fall over. Now, pour in your creamy mixture over the crushed Oreos. But remember, don't mix, just let the milk soak through the biscuits naturally. Put your ice lolly sticks into the Oreo mixture. Pop your tin into the freezer for about 4 hours. This is where the magic happens. And voila, your delicious Oreo ice cream is ready. Perfect for ponies and people alike. Time to enjoy. Let us know in the comments if you'll try this recipe. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your fellow pony fans. See you next time for more magical treats.